Hey John, here it is, inside of your Dynawrite battery. Cut it open. This is what's inside. Two 18650 batteries on a circuit board, tack welded. It was in like this. This guy was tack welded to both. This is your negative, positive, negative, and the positive is over here. And this was in its package with the flat side with the circuit board on the bottom. And this goes into the Dynawrite, plugs in there. Let me show you what I had in mind as a replacement for this to make it a little bit more. I mean, these things are very common. Here's the new batteries I got for this. These 18650s are lithium-ion technology. They're 3.7 volts each. They're very, very common nowadays. This is cutting edge back when they used this. For some reason, they made this separate circuit board for it and put it in with the battery. This is like a charging circuit where it monitors the voltage and the temperature of these batteries, which is important to do when they're being charged. So what we're doing here is we're replacing these batteries, like you wanted me to originally, with new ones. These batteries seem fine. My light that I have here uses the same battery, and I took the battery out and put this one in, and I ran it for a very long time. It didn't seem like it was didn't seem like the battery was bad. The camera ran out of space before I could finish. Last video, I got the new batteries tack welded in. What we'll do is we'll get the get this put in the unit, and we'll try charging it up, see how we are. I was telling you in the last video before I got cut off that I was going to try to see if I could get these somehow to replace, so you could replace these yourself, but needing that circuit board in there, it's just not enough space to put it in the compartment that's available on the Dynawrite. So it's just not going to work. And I thought about putting smaller batteries in, you know, like AA's, but you know, you're not going to have the power that you are in the AA's that you are going to have from these. So let's just go with these for now and see how you make out. So I'll do the charge test next, and we'll see if it lasts. I've got the 2 units, so we'll see how this new battery setup works in both, and see if hopefully that'll improve it for you. I'll let you know. See you, John.